क्रमों का हुआ विस्तार। नए सत्र के लिए कई विशिष्ट पाठ्यक्रमों की घोषणा। 1610 सीटों पर एडमिशन ओपन। बीए, एमए, एलएलबी के अलावा पीएचडी पाठ्यक्रमों की भी घोषणा। जी हां, बात करें तो नई दिल्ली में आयोजित सार्क देशों की सरकारों द्वारा स्थापित नॉलेज विदाउट बॉर्डर्स की परिकल्पना पर आधारित साउथ एशिया यूनिवर्सिटी यानी कि एसयू ने 2026-27 सत्र के लिए नए शैक्षणिक कार्यक्रम शुरू किया है। इस यूनिवर्सिटी ने कुल 1610 सीटों पर प्रवेश खोले हैं, जिनमें 50 पीएचडी छात्रवृत्ति सीटें, 780 स्नातक और 780 स्नातकोत्तर कार्यक्रमों की सीटें शामिल है। एसयू के अध्यक्ष प्रोफेसर के अग्रवाल ने यूनिवर्सिटी के वरिष्ठ अधिकारियों की मौजूदगी में मंगलवार को यह इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है। यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस को संबोधित करते हुए डायरेक्टर प्रोफेसर अग्रवाल ने बताया कि अपने 16वें शैक्षणिक वर्ष में प्रवेश कर रही यूनिवर्सिटी ने स्नातक स्तर पर बीए, एलएलबी ऑनर्स और बीबीए एलएलबी ऑनर्स कार्यक्रम शुरू किए हैं, जिनसे विधि शिक्षा में यूनिवर्सिटी की सशक्त उपस्थिति और मजबूत होगी। इसके अलावा बीए ऑनर्स इन मीडिया आर्ट्स एंड डिजाइन कार्यक्रम भी शुरू किए गए हैं, जिसका मकसद रचनात्मकता, आलोचनात्मक चिंतन और डिजिटल संचार कौशल का विकास करना है। शिव ने स्नातकोत्तर स्तर पर एमए इन जर्नलिज्म एंड डिजिटल मीडिया और एमएस इन बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स कार्यक्रम को भी लॉन्च किया है। शोध को सुदृढ़ करने के लिए प्रबंधन, जलवायु परिवर्तन, अंग्रेजी और रसायन विज्ञान में नए पीएचडी के कार्यक्रमों को भी शुरू किए गए हैं। साथ ही बीटेक सीएससी कार्यक्रमों के तहत क्वांटम कंप्यूटिंग में एक आधुनिक और विशेषज्ञता भी प्राप्त की गई है, जिससे यूनिवर्सिटी की तकनीक के क्षेत्रों में अग्रणी भूमिका निभा सके। एसयू के एकेडमिक उपाध्यक्ष प्रोफेसर पंकज जैन ने बताया कि यूनिवर्सिटी में उन्नत प्रौद्योगिकी की विशेषताएं अंतरिक्षीय का अध्ययन, प्रबंधन, शिक्षा, सामाजिक विज्ञान, जलवायु परिवर्तन और सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स पर केंद्रित पाठ्यक्रम उपलब्ध हैं। हाल ही में यहां सेंटर फॉर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप ट्रेनिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट सीईटीपी की स्थापना की गई, जिसका मकसद उद्योग सहयोग और व्यवसायिक कौशल के विकास के माध्यम से विद्यार्थियों को रोजगार क्षमता बढ़ाना है। प्रवेश निदेशक प्रोफेसर कविता खन्ना ने बताया कि आवेदन की अंतिम तिथि 10 अप्रैल और 2026 है तथा प्रवेश परीक्षा 25 एवं 26 अप्रैल 2026 को आयोजित की जाएगी और इसकी विस्तृत जानकारी जो है यूनिवर्सिटी के वेबसाइट www.sau.int पर उपलब्ध है।
Let me first of all take this opportunity to welcome you all to the beautiful campus in the university. Some of you visited last year, some of you have been visiting in between, and some I see as the new faces this year. I hope to continue to be interacting with them in the future also. Friends, as you must have seen the style of working in this university, my colleagues have covered everything to be able to do, and I have really nothing to okay, and I will be eager to answer your questions which have come up there. But nonetheless, I always believe that media should have always been doing the role of the watchdog. So I will start with what I promised you last year, and how far we have done it. Last year, I promised you we will start a BSMS program, which is an interdisciplinary program in the sense that for the first time in this country at least, we are trying to bring the students of medical students and non-medical students to study together. It has come out very successful. Last year, we could make admissions of very good students, about 18, 19, and this year we just want to touch under 20 because this is a very personalized program. We don't want to increase the numbers. Second thing I promised was that we will start a climate change center because that's a problem which is affecting all the sub-countries very seriously. So we started a center of climate change beneath the sustainability, and I'm again happy to report that we could get 45 very serious senior students to be pursuing their course, which is conducted by academics and as well as by large number of professionals from outside industry. We are working out still further involvement of the industry because we want to make this program more like a practice-based program rather than academic program. Third thing I promised you last year was to start the MBA program. We did. We started with only one section each to begin with, to make ourselves more ready for the next session. And this year, we are probably increasing the numbers a little little, but it has come up. We also started with some short courses in media last year, again, to prepare ourselves for full-fledged launch of media programs this year, and it has come up. So, this was what we planned to start last year, and we have done very well. Friends, some of you will come to the campus after the lack of 1 year. I think you must have that. We have now the campus almost all facilities which you use. We have yoga, we have gym, we have swimming pool, we have very good lecture halls, we have seminar halls, all of you will be equipped. So, when academics or extracurricular activities, every week, as Prasanna will say, we have something or the other going on in our campus, which I felt is very necessary for a campus which is situated a little out of the town, that the campus life should also be dedicated to the students, and we have been able to do that. Last year, we really started the first batch in BTech in the real sense of the word, first full-fledged batch. And we started BTech only focused on the current demands of the world. And we had verticals like AI/ML, we had verticals like data science area, cybersecurity, business intelligence. So what I mean to say is this university, crystal gaze in the future, although we also keep our past well within our reach, and make sure that we do the best which we can for our youth. As an academic of long-term standing, I have always been feeling that our duty is never to teach the subjects. Our duty is to teach the students what they wish to, and we have been working in that direction. This year, talking about BTech, we are starting a very new vertical, quantum. Very few universities in the country have done it, and we are one of the first to venture. We are in talk with the Quantum Mission of India. The chairman of Quantum Mission of India is visiting us next week to guide us on the BTech vertical on quantum computing, because we believe whenever we have to do something, let it be the best guidance in the country. So the National Quantum Mission, which you must have seen, has been highlighted in the budget like anything. The chairman of that is coming.